And we're taking you back to the blast that has taken place in Ludhiana in the district and sessions court complex in Punjab's biggest city. Pole-bound Punjab faces another intensity attack that has killed 2 people so far and 4 people are injured. Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi is going to be landing in Ludhiana very shortly. Rescue operations are underway inside the court compound, which happens to be in a VVIP area of Punjab's biggest city just 2 months before elections and in the wake of 2 murderous cold-blooded lynchings in the cities of Amritsar and Kapurthala. So tense incidents, first Amritsar, then Kapurthala, and now Ludhiana. The blast took place inside the second floor washroom near the records room of the court complex. We are told the walls of the washroom got demolished in the blast and glass of windows has been completely shattered. We've got images of what's happening, but we will bring them out to you once they are cleared by agencies on the ground who are looking at all forensic angles here. Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, like I said, is on his way to Ludhiana. He's promised a thorough probe and punishment for the conspirators, but has linked the blast to the elections and blamed anti-nationals. So the Chief Minister has already taken a view of who may be behind this particular blast. Former Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh has also tweeted saying that the Punjab police needs to get to the bottom of the incident as quickly as possible. The killer blast comes close on the heels, like I said, of the sacrilege-linked murders that led to security alerts in the pole-bound border state. National Investigation Agency, the National Security Group and National Bomb Data Center have been rushed already to the blast site.
दीवारां गिरियां छत उत्थे बंदे कहंदे कपड़े मैं कहा कपड़े नहीं मैं जो कपड़े उतारे तो उत्थे डेड बॉडी पई आ हुण ये नहीं पता दूजी मंजिल बाथरूम दे कोल बाथरूम दे विच बाथरूम कितने मिनट पहले गल है ये अद्धे पौने घंटे दी गल है और सारियां अदालतां ये ब्लास्ट कोई बंदा अणहोनी करके गया बम ब्लास्ट
जो स्क्वाड है वो आ रहे हैं डिस्पोजल ਤੇ ਫੋਰੈਂਸਿਕ ਟੀਮ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੁਲਾਈ ਹੈ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ
ਸਰ ਮੁੱਢਲੀ ਜਾਂਚ ਤੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਫਟਿਆ ਕੀ
ਅਜੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਇੰਟੀਫਿਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਫੋਰੈਂਸਿਕ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ
ਸਰ ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਬਾਰੂਦ ਵਰਗੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਹੈ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਰੂਮ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਬਸ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਹੈ ਪੈਨਿਕ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਤਹਿਕੀਕਾਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਥਰੂ ਬਰੀਫ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਹ ਕੋਰਟ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਨਾ ਕਰਨ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਵਾਲੇ ਔਰ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਏਰੀਆ ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੀਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਟਿਲ ਦੀ ਫੋਰੈਂਸਿਕ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੀਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ
ਸਰ ਇੱਕ ਸਵਾਲ ਖੜਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਤੇ ਬੰਬ ਵੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਨੀਚੇ ਚੈਕਿੰਗ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਅੰਦਰ ਆਉਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ
ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੋਈ ਕੀ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੀਕਲ ਅਪਲਾਇੰਸ ਕੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਇਜ਼ਾ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਾਂਗੇ ਨਾ
ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਛੇਤੀ ਸਮੇਟ ਕੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਾਇਜ਼ਾ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੇੜੇ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਸੂਬਾ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਤਾਕਤਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਘਿਨਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਹਰਕਤਾਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵੀ ਸੁਚੇਤ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸੁਚੇਤ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੇਅਦਬੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਫਲ ਹੋਏ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੱਦੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਕੁਝ ਏਜੰਸੀਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਦੋਸ਼ੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਖਸ਼ਾਂਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੈਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
Manjeet live with me on this big breaking story. Manjeet, Chief Minister Channi will be landing there very, very shortly. Update us on what you're hearing from your sources in the police. Okay, we'll try and go back to Manjeet in just a moment. Because he's also rushing to the spot as we speak. We'll have Kamaljeet also live with us in a moment. We'll have Kamaljeet live with us, and I'll get you a 360-degree view of everything we know at this point of time. Let me quickly also tell our viewers that the reason why this story is big is because this has happened in the biggest city of poll-bound state of Punjab. Punjab goes into election mode, into elections, in fact, in just about 2.5 months from now. The dates are not out, but it's going to happen in February, March sometime. Emotions are already running high, and action of this kind can easily destabilize a state that's already on edge. Remember, Punjab is a border state. It has a large international border with Pakistan. Pakistan has persistently tried to destabilize India right through the farmers' protest with Khalistani elements as well, and now through using drones and injecting drugs and weapons and explosive material into Punjab, something that's been highlighted by successive governments, including that of Captain Amarinder Singh, and now an attack of this kind. We don't know if Pakistan is behind it, but that appears to be one of the major possibilities. Chief Minister Channi himself has said that there are anti-India elements both here in India and abroad and across the border. Let's listen in once again to what the Chief Minister said, as well as eyewitnesses in the ground.
दीवारां गिरियां छत उथे बंदे कहंदे कपड़े या कपड़े मैं कहा कपड़े नहीं मैं जो कपड़े उतारे तो उथे डेड बॉडी पई आ हुण ये नहीं पता दूजी मंजिल बाथरूम दे कोल बाथरूम दे विच बाथरूम कितने मिनट पहले गल है ये अद्धे पौने घंटे दी गल है और सारियां अदालतां ये ब्लास्ट कोई बंदा अणहोनी करके गया बम ब्लास्ट
जो स्क्वाड है वो आ रहे हैं डिस्पोजल ਤੇ ਫੋਰੈਂਸਿਕ ਟੀਮ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੁਲਾਈ ਹੈ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ
ਸਰ ਮੁੱਢਲੀ ਜਾਂਚ ਤੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਫਟਿਆ ਕੀ
ਅਜੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਇੰਟੀਫਿਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਫੋਰੈਂਸਿਕ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ
ਸਰ ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਬਾਰੂਦ ਵਰਗੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ
ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲ ਹੈ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਰੂਮ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਉਹਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ बस मेरी पब्लिक को यही है पैनिक वाली गल नहीं असीं सारी गल नूं तहकीकात करके तुहाडे थ्रू ब्रीफ करते रहांगे ये कोर्ट कॉम्पलैक्स में आने की कोशिश ना करन पब्लिक वाले और दूसरा ये कि जिहड़ा एरिया ये असीं सील करके रखांगे टिल दी फोरेंसिक टीम है अपनी सारी इहनूं चंगी तरह देख नहीं लेंगे
सर एक सवाल खड़ा हो जाता कि अगर ये बम भी है तो ऊपर किस तरह है क्योंकि नीचे चेकिंग होती है उसको फिर अंदर आने नहीं
सर मैं वही देख रहा ना भी की चीज़ सी कोई भी चीज़ हो सकती है देखो कोई मैनू नहीं पता इतने अंदर कोई की इलैक्ट्रिकल अपलायंस की लगे हुए ने वो सारा हूँ मैं जायजा लऊंगा तां ही तुहानूं दस सकांगे ना
ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਛੇਤੀ ਸਮੇਟ ਕੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਸਰ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਾਇਜ਼ਾ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੇੜੇ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਸੂਬਾ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਤਾਕਤਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਘਿਨਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਹਰਕਤਾਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵੀ ਸੁਚੇਤ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸੁਚੇਤ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੇਅਦਬੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਫਲ ਹੋਏ ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੱਦੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਕੁਝ ਏਜੰਸੀਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਦੋਸ਼ੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਖਸ਼ਾਂਗੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੈਂ ਮੌਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲਵਾਂਗਾ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
ਸੈਕੰਡ ਫਲੋਰ ਤੇ ਲੇਡੀਜ਼ ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਧੂਏ ਦੀ ਸਮੈਲ ਆ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ RDX ਦਾ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਟਸ ਨਾਟ ਸਿਲੰਡਰ ਬਲਾਸਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਇਟਸ RDX ਬਲਾਸਟ ਐਂਡ देयर इज नो सिक्योरिटी इन द कोर्ट बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी एंट्री गेट्स एनीवन कैन come from any side.
You've got eyewitnesses who are actually saying pretty disturbing things like they could smell RDX in the blast. This is Captain Amarinder Singh, former Chief Minister's tweet just now on this, saying, praying for the recovery of those injured. Punjab Police must get to the bottom of this. Captain Amarinder Singh has been warning persistently about inimical elements, anti-India elements operating from Pakistan and within Punjab, Pakistan-sponsored elements within Punjab who've been trying to destabilize the state as it heads into elections as well. And therefore, all of these different strands are going to come together, hopefully, when the Punjab Police addresses the press later today. There is no confirmation yet on when that press conference will be, but there will have to be a public address by the police to put out the facts and calm the tensions and rumors that will inevitably be circulating at this point of time over what may happen. This is a situation that will have to be taken with maximum seriousness, and it is, because 2 people have died. There is a great deal of damage, and it also represents a massive breach in security. You just heard a lawyer, an eyewitness, come out and say that there are many entry points to this court complex. So it also will, provide some answers, hopefully, by the police on whether there was a security failure at the court complex, which is supposed to be a high security zone. Kamaljeet Sandhu continues to be with me on the story. Kamal, the Chief Minister has spoken. He has spoken about anti-India groups that are trying to destabilize Punjab. He has linked it directly with the elections as well. The priority, the onus right now, Kamal, is going to be on putting out the facts. The facts will have to be put out by the agencies of the police as quickly as possible, because otherwise, at a time like this, this is a recipe for chaos and rumors.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. As a matter of fact, Charanjit Singh Channi, the Chief Minister, is headed towards Ludhiana at the blast side. Many, especially in the official circle, would have said that needs to be desisted because it does block the police from doing preliminary investigation. At this point of time, the focus is on relief and rescue, and that will take away that particular attention. And also, they need to kind of check for any sort of further damage that could be caused or further explosion. That is now going to be ruled out, especially because the Chief Minister is headed there. We've seen different sort of reaction coming in. Navjot Singh Sidhu has talked about a political conspiracy. He's just spoken out, and he said this is to polarize, to give a Danda Raj of sorts. So talking about a political conspiracy at that. And we've seen the Congress-led government in Punjab being beleaguered, whether it's sacrilege, whether it's lynching, and now a blast in Ludhiana court complex. This is going to be a big challenge, and many are going to ask Congress government the questions as to what the government is doing, because remember, the SIT report is yet to come out. The target was 48 hours for a preliminary report. That's not been out yet, and now there is a biggest challenge, and that could be of a possible terror attack. At this point of time, no official has come out and said what kind of a blast has this been and whether this is a terror attack, but the sort of possibility and the damage that has caused a sort of ruckus and a chaos that we saw after the blast, there is a clear indication of terror links. Remember, 2 of the national agencies which are headed towards Ludhiana, the NIS had a 2-member team which is expected to reach the Ludhiana blast site. There is obviously the National Security Guard, the NSG sending its National Bomb Data Center team to collect forensic evidence. That will be a lead key giveaway as to who could be behind the blast and what sort of ingredients have been used. Now, several political parties have been asking questions as to why there seems to be a laxity as far as internal security is concerned. That kind of question came in, especially once the BSF was given a major share of the territory, increasing it from 15 kilometers to 50 kilometers. There have been consistently the drones which have been doing the rounds from Pakistan, dropping in arms, weapons, as well a certain amount of explosive quantity. Now, there is every possibility, and nothing is being ruled out at this point of time, Shiv. But clearly, alarm bells ringing as far as security circles are concerned. Ahead of Punjab polls, this kind of an incident has clearly raised the stake and has put a question mark, especially on the Punjab police. Looks like a well-planned conspiracy. The attack taking place, a blast happening inside the court complex, inside a washroom itself. Talks about how there would have been a possible recce and a planning done before an explosive of this kind of nature was kept there.
Absolutely. And Navjot Singh Sidhu, the Congress state chief in Punjab, has just put out a statement saying that there is a political conspiracy behind the blast. He has said that this is a bid to, polarize voters. This is the same Navjot Singh Sidhu who a couple of days ago had actually called for vigilante justice and summary executions in the wake of the cold-blooded murders, by certain elements at the Golden Temple and in Kapurthala. This same guy now is saying that this is a political conspiracy and a bid to polarize, because the only thing on Navjot Singh Sidhu's mind after all is the elections. I don't think he really bothers about anything else. It's all about voters and how Punjab is going to vote, and therefore no surprises that Navjot Singh Sidhu has only made a pronouncement on conspiracy. He says this is a conspiracy, a political conspiracy, and one to divide voters before the elections. No word on the injured, no word on the dead. He only talks about bid to polarize voters in Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu hopefully will make a statement as well. If he bothers to take any questions, we'll ask him those questions as well. The Chief Minister, remember, has also blamed anti-nationals. The investigation is still underway at the blast site, but it appears that the top political voices in the state have already made up their minds over who must be responsible for this. Kamaljeet, tell us what you think about this. It's not surprising at all that Sidhu has leapt onto this horrible incident in Ludhiana and called it a political conspiracy. What does he mean by that? When he says a political conspiracy, is he, I dare say, saying that this is some kind of internal attack to polarize voters? That's what he appears to be insinuating, Kamal.
Absolutely. Lashing out at political parties. He's talking about a political conspiracy at that. There has to be evidence. We've seen off-the-cuff remarks being made. But when it comes to a sensitive matter like this, one should really think hard before speaking out, before getting sort of information. Earlier also, Shivamania Kalidal had hit out because he had preempted, even before official statement had made out, that Bikram Singh Majichia had an FIR against him. None of the officials were actually on record. But here is another time where this is a particularly sensitive matter because it pertains to the lives, it pertains to the internal security, and to make a remark of this kind of sort is something which may not go down well. This even before Punjab Police is yet to spell out as to who is behind the conspiracy. There have been certain worrying trends in the past. We've seen whether it's the drones which have been coming in with arms and ammunition, with amount of RDX as well as explosives. This could be anybody who could be